Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com bringing you a review of the Load wig from Wille in the color Hot Ginger Mix. Now, Hot Ginger Mix is very similar to their Mango Rooted color. The really big difference is, okay, for one, this is not a rooted color, okay, so naturally. And then the other difference is all of the colors in here are the exact same colors that you'll find in the Mango Rooted, with the exception of this 30. So you'll find a medium auburn also blended into this color, which is something the Mango Rooted doesn't have. So in here you'll see sort of a light coppery auburn blended with sort of a neutral brown with some ash elements. You'll also see a really nice warm sort of medium auburn, and then in there is that natural medium auburn, which is a little bit copperier. You can kind of see it. But look at all that variation of tone. Very pretty color. So yeah, this Load wig, whoo-wee. You know, I know that the 80s are coming back with a vengeance, but man, like, this is some Farrah Fawcett hair. Okay, so let's talk about Load a little bit, because, you know, you can kind of get an idea that it looks like this, and it looks really cute with this sweater, by the way, but you can kind of get an idea that it looks like this when you see the manufacturer photos, but you really need to see it on to see just how it is. It's just, it's a lot. But the texture of the hair is really nice. It's a bit like a halo, you know? The curls are just very loose and open and huge. You know, it's just, it's definitely 80s rocker hair, for sure. Very much like a lion mane. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you what Load looks like on all sides. Oh boy, yeah. It's super comfortable on. The hair is very light. I mean, this is an extremely light feeling wig. It just feels very airy on. It's 4.2 ounces. The front is 5 inches, which is why I have it swept off to the side right now. There's no lace front on this one, by the way. The crown down is 9.25 inches, the sides are 8.5, and the nape is another 9.5. But just remember, the whole thing is very textured, and it has this like loose curl to it. So it's gonna wear a little shorter than what the measurements would otherwise indicate. Let me go ahead and take Load off now. So take a load off, huh? And that way I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Sorry, I could not resist. So Load is a monofilament part wig, again with no lace front. She's open all around that mono part. And let me check to see if there's permatease. Only a very scant amount. So yeah, very tiny amount of permatease. And the hair just falls right over it. The cap, by the way, is very soft feeling. Nice soft fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs. Very nice pliable materials on the inside of this wig. Open on the sides, open in the back. Does not have an extended nape. It does have a band of felt back there, as well as Velcro adjusters. She's kind of stretchy at the perimeter, but I wouldn't say super stretchy. Definitely fits like an average or an average petite size wig. I'd say more like an average wig though, because she is rather accommodating. So now you can see what that mono part looks like. I kind of like this one. I mean, yeah, okay, it's retro, but it's really cute. And like I said, I think it looks really cute with sweaters. So, I don't know, I kind of dig it. This is the Load Wig by Wille in the color Hot Ginger Mix. Again, very similar to their Mango Root, except not rooted and has an extra shade of red in it. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you find my videos kind of, you know, fun or at least helpful. And if so, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.